Does your company have a lot of legacy code that no one understands? As a developer, do you like to create documentation for your code? Or do you even have time for that? Well, now you won't have to. Code Narrator is LLM-based tool that can make programmers' life easier and as a result can help speed up the process of the development. It generates documentation for code, it can answer questions about the code, and can even act as a code reviewer. Let's see how it works. First, log in with your GitHub account, press Create New Project button, select your Git repository and the branch that you want to work on. Once the project is created, click on Details. You can see the structure of your repository, and in any code file you can click the documentation icon and you will see automatically generated detailed description of what your code does. Besides that, Code Narrator has a chat where you can ask questions about the code. Another useful feature of Code Narrator is the possibility of generating description with the list of changes included in the PR. Do you have to ping your coworkers to do the review of your PRs? Code Narrator can be your reviewer, available day and night. It will act as a peer programmer and leave the comments with suggestions of improvements for your code. Does it sound interesting? Don't hesitate to contact us for more details.